Hi, this is Mrs. Mackey and I teach Design Technology. Today I'm going to talk through GCSE Design Technology in Textiles. So what does GCSE Textiles involve? In Year 10 you will develop your practical skills. It doesn't matter if you've not been taught textiles before, we will cover the basic skills, teach new techniques and you can develop your existing skills further. You will have theory lessons, usually 1 hour a fortnight, but I do try and teach these around practical tasks. Although the course focuses more on traditional textiles, you will learn about paper, plastic, wood, metal and electronics. Again, this is mainly covered in the practical tasks and projects. In Year 11, you'll work independently on your NEA, non-examination assessment. This is worth 50% of your GCSE. The exam board will give you a number of design briefs to select from and you'll produce an online portfolio and a practical product. At the end of Year 11, you will have a written exam which is worth 50%. This course allows you to play with your strengths as some students may score higher in the coursework and other in the exams. Who is this course suitable for? Textiles is suitable for anyone who is creative, like problem solving, enjoying hands-on learning and working with a wide range of materials. Class sizes are usually smaller than other subjects due to being a practical subject and students have always commented on the calming and relaxing environment. Each student will have their own equipment box, sketchbook, portfolio and theory book. The course involves designing. You don't have to be the greatest designer as there are other ways to show your ideas. We will use CAD, for example SketchUp, 2D design, IBIS Paint. Some students have even used their own iPad to experiment with design ideas. In Year 10, you will develop your independence and confidence using the sewing machine. The last few years, students have designed and made their own hoodies, although in the past I've also had students make bags and pyjama shorts. These are images of previous Year 10 hoodies. We are lucky to have great resources in the creative industry department. We have a laser cutter, several 3D printers, computers, embroidery machine, heat presses and a fully equipped workshop. We will still focus on the traditional skills as well as using modern equipment. You don't have to use all the machines, but they're available if you wish. It's all about working to your strengths and interests. In Year 11, you don't have to make fashion garments. You will just need to know a few designers. We've had a wide range of products made, including toys, teepee, guitar cases, saddle pads. You can literally make anything you want if it solves the design brief you have been given. You can work with any material you wish, including wood, metal, plastic and textiles. These are a few examples of Year 11's practical work that has been made over the last few years. Why study Design Technology in Textiles? It's a great GCSE which covers elements from other courses, for example art, geography, science and maths, but adds a creative element to it. This is why it leads to so many careers, not just textiles and fashion. Here are some examples of textiles and fashion careers that you could go into. There's plenty to choose from. If you have any further questions, please email me and I'm happy to help. Thank you for listening.